So if you drop a rock in a pond, what's going to happen? It's going to make ripple effects, concentric rings around that rock. Oh, this is on the surface of water. You know, this is on the surface of water. And it's two-dimensional. What if this was 3D? Then this would be a bubble. These would be bubbles. Bubbles within inside of bubbles. So you just be a dome on this side. This would be top half and a dome on the underneath the bottom half of the paper. So if you can imagine this coming out, a dome here, a dome here, a dome here, a dome here, and here. The center one is heaven, and this is the seed of the physical world and the spiritual world. So this creates the venue for existence, for all beings, conscious beings, unconscious beings, conscious beings. And you have to be probably really pure to get to this level. And this is 3D now. So this is made out of glass, crystal glass, and it's the center of the universe. It's just one universe, one place. Everything is one place. Okay, and we're at the core right here, and we're on a level of that. We're on a level. We have in essence fallen to the lowest level, or to this level so far. You know, okay. All right, now these are the stars up here, the sun and the moon and the planets and the galaxies and everything that we see when we look up into the sky. We're down here looking up, we see that. So when the sun is, so if I drew the sun here, it's in the west, so it's setting. Looks like it's going down past the horizon, but it's really rising up, and it's in the west. The sun is setting and it's rising in the west, and when it comes around, it sets in the morning. Anyway, I'm on the continent of America here. This is Asia, and over here. Anyways, I should tilt this. It's more like that. Here I am. Right side is up. Right side is up. So like I'm standing on the earth here. But right side is up. The North Pole is over here. South Pole, Antarctica is over here. Bottom of the universe is Antarctica. Anyway, just imagine, that's exactly what happened with cymatics and vibrations and frequencies. Crystalline structures were formed from heaven, starting from heaven, and this creates a theater and a venue for all of us to experience. Let me see. So whatever is outside, underneath our feet, it's just further and further away from heaven. This is like unknown territory, uncharted territories. We don't know what's outside, and this might be metal. You know, underneath our feet might be metal. and some layers of magma or something, I don't know, and water, more metal. But we're definitely not on a ball, and we're definitely not on a infinite plane or a disk. We're definitely inside the concave universe. And the champion of the concave universe is Lord Stephen Christ. When I say champion, I mean from A to Z, scientifically, he's a beast. I mean that in a good way. When it comes to anything that has to do with science, any topic relating from rotations, planets, reasons why things happen, or just any scientific query, he will tackle it, and tackle it better than anybody that I've ever come across. And where it makes sense, logical and rational sense, and complete and utter sense, without you know. And he has the only person, you know, that helps me grasp the whole world inside of my mind, not just the Earth. Talking about, yeah, we're talking about the Earth world, because this is the world. It's inside of the Earth. I'm talking about flat earthers. They don't have a clue about space, and you know, oblate spheroiders, they just think space is infinite. Well, just remember, rock dropping in a pond, it's going to create ripples. These ripples are 3D, and it's formed with cymatics. And sonoluminescence is a byproduct, and creation is a byproduct. Time is a byproduct.